The judiciary is supposed to be an umpire. It is the institution which interprets the law and ensures rights for all. The judiciary for quite some time was under attack if you go back into our political history. As you recall, we had our Chief Justice Benedicto Chiwanuka being dragged and killed. The judiciary therefore was always a victim of the executive. However, over time, the judiciary has also developed to provide some sort of recourse to those who happen to be victims of abuse. The judiciary today has courts virtually across the entire country, and there is growing confidence within the populace about the judiciary, as more people find it appropriate to run to the judiciary whenever there is some degree of injustice. And the judiciary, on the other hand, has also evolved by bringing on board alternative justice mechanisms. For example, of late, they now have embraced the idea of mediation, reconciliation. They have embraced the idea of plea bargaining, community service, which to a large extent helps in fast-tracking the delivery of justice, because one of their major impediments, their major challenges has always been the failure to pronounce themselves in a timely manner. And as we know the adage, justice delayed is justice denied. Now, with new developments, with these emerging innovations, it's now possible to fast-track the delivery of justice. So it stands in a vantage point to provide the necessary recourse to justice for those who happen to be victims of abuse. But I should also say that it's developing. It's a developing story. They are not yet there because delays still continue. They are not there because they don't have all the necessary judicial resource. They are not there because they don't have 100% budgetary appropriation. But I think it is a developing story.